Maraming sa inyo nagtatanong through message and comments kung anong magandang fragrance this coming summer season. Wait no more, dahil magkakaroon tayo ng series, bibigay ako ng tips and recommendation para mas madali ang inyong pagpili. This summer season, dahil mainit at maalinsangan, lalo na sa syudad, kailangan natin ng mabango at fresh na amoy. Pagdating sa lineup natin ng Father and Son, here are my recommendations. Number 1 is Debonair. Debonair is a fruity, fresh, smoky fragrance. Ang atake natin dito, this fragrance is our own version of Creed Aventus, but more of a fruity Aventus Creed. So this fragrance will dominate opening of a pineapple and give us a good projection lalo na sa skin. Ito yung fragrance na pag humalo sa balat mo is lalo siyang bumabango at lalo siyang nagpo-project. And number 2, yung hindi ko rin inakala nung una kahit ako inaayawan ko, which is the Silver, our own version of Creed Silver Mountain Water. This is a green tea, creamy, florally, fruity, fresh fragrance at take note, itong fragrance na to lumalaban dito sa init. Ito yung fragrance na pag sa skin mo nilagay or mapadamit, mapaskin, sobrang lakas ng projection. So, you will never go wrong sa Silver, guys. Sa una, medyo parang hindi mo siya magugustuhan, but give it a chance. I will tell you 100% may in love ka sa fragrance na to. And number 3, ito yung pabango ko nung high school, college, and nakagraduate na ako at nakatrabaho ko, which is the Extreme, our own version of Bulgari Extreme. This fragrance, ang opening nito is merong pagka-citrus. Kung alam nyo yung hint ng dalandan, amoy na amoy nito yung opening ng dalandan. At the same time, sa dry down nito is may pagka-powdery. This fragrance is easy to wear. So, kung bata ka, medyo may edad ka na, or mid-class ka, bagay to, madali itong suotin, mapa-casual, semi-formal, or formal, bagay na bagay itong fragrance na to. Magandang mga fresh ang gamitin, lalo sa tag-init. Dahil malaki ang chance, pag gumamit ka ng mga heavy scents, masyado siyang overpowering. Maliban na lang kung yun talaga gusto nyo mangyari, kung gusto nyo talaga magpapansin. At sa pag-a-apply, sabi ng iba, iwasan daw ang pag-overspray. But here's quality meets practicality. Pag maganda ang quality ng perfume mo, hindi magiging overwhelming ang projection, hindi yan masakit sa ilong. Kahit ma-overspray ka ng sandamakmak, okay na okay pa rin. Kaya always choose Father and Son. For more recommendation or tips, always follow our social media accounts sa Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. At kung nagustuhan niyo itong video na to, please like and also share this video. And thank you for always supporting the brand. And nga pala, kung meron kayong mga fragrance na recommendation ngayong summer na gusto nating i-release or ginagamit nyo, i-comment nyo sa baba. Thank you for always supporting the brand and God bless you all.